how to unbind your account in MU Dark Epoch. So just go ahead to your game assistant. It's going to be found here in the top left corner. Press on your support and you're gonna have to go into your customer service option, and then it's going to be like a chatbot, something like that. What you're gonna do is just type in unbind account, and then you'll have an option to do the process. We've already tried it beforehand, but we're just gonna do it again. So you're gonna have to click on the blue unbind account like so. You can go ahead and press on that. I'm gonna wait for the response though, but once you press on the unbind account, you can go ahead and press on yes proceed and then submit. Now you're just gonna go ahead and put in your details, but eventually you will be able to unbind your account. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.